Action.
And the winner is going home with a sum of 50K. Hey! Right, the guy gave mine 50,000. What you gonna make this guy bring 50,000? Okay, fine. If you win me, I give you 50,000. If I win you, give me 50,000. Deal or deal? Deal. I don't know what this. Alright. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Game start. I don't start game start though.
Spanner. Spanner. Hey, blood of God. Can you imagine this is 15-15 fufu? 15-15 fufu. 15-15 fufu. Supreme said he's going to win Spanner. Can you imagine? Guys, this is 15-15 fufu. Eh? Supreme, are you sure you are ready for this? Spanner, take it easy now. Take it easy now. Hey, Spanner, it's many 5. Oh. Hey, this guy ate 15 fufu straight. This is a joke. This is a Spanner, are you sure you're alright? Guys, quickly, I can't believe my eye. I thought this was a joke before. I thought it was film trick. Oh. I'm seeing this one with my eye. Can you imagine this? 15 fufu shot down. It's remaining 2. Supreme. Can you imagine? 15 fufu. 15 fufu. 15 fufu is spending only 1. How will you want to do a competition with Spanner? International foodie. Guys, if you feel you can win Spanner, just comment. Come, he's ready for you. Can you imagine 15 fufu is gone?
How many men? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I told you before.
He just ate only 5.
I told him that instead of 15 fufu, instead of 15 semo, that I am going to finish my own 15. Then help him with his own 10.
Hey! Spanner, there's something. What is living inside your stomach?
Food challenge is not for the weak. I know you've been challenged, I just a chop and normal. If I say make a challenge like this.
Blood of God. Spanner, you are not normal. You are not normal.
Are you ready to challenge me? Are you ready to challenge me? Drop your comment.
If you challenge Spanner, drop your comment. You are putting big money inside it. Come on.
Drop your comment.
Put call. Just come. We'll give you location.
Transfer cash. Transfer.